That's true. But aren't you curious about the history and origin of the Mayon?
I'm curious.
Well, I bet you all are curious too. But before we enlighten you, let us show the insights and opinions of the people here in Mayon first. Let's go!
Ano pong masasabi po sa ating Mayon?
Pag nag-erupt siya, nawawala kami mga negosyo.
Ang Mayon, magayonon ang Mayon.
Ang Mayon, ang pinakamagandang tanawin dito sa Bicol.
Starting off with our main topic, the history and origin of Mount Mayon volcano.
It is said that the volcano grew from the burial grounds of lovers, Magayon and Pangaronon.
The legends begin with a love story of a beautiful maiden named Magayon and a warrior named Pangaronon who was the chief of a warring tribe.
The two fell deeply in love, but the relationship was deeply threatened by the fierce rivalry between their tribes.
Despite the opposition, the couple remained loyal to each other, which ultimately led to tragic end.
The intense love between Magayon and Pangaronon. Their love was so strong that it defied the boundaries of their warring tribes, showcasing the power of love in overcoming obstacles.
Thus, it is also said that the ancient Bicolanos named it after the legendary princess heroine, Daragang Magayon, in English, Beautiful Lady.
After some time, the volcano was chosen as the abode of the supreme god of the Bicolano people, Gugurang, who also chose Mayon as the repository of the sacred fire of Ibalon.
And now, we have come to an end about the history and origin of Mount Mayon volcano. We hope that you learned something about our dearest Mount Mayon volcano.